In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set Firefox homepage. If you'd like Firefox to open a specific website every time you launch the browser or click the Home button, changing your homepage is quick and easy. Whether you want to use your favorite search engine, a news website, or any other page you visit regularly, Firefox gives you several options for customizing your homepage. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the process from start to finish, so you can set it up exactly the way you want. To begin, open the Mozilla Firefox browser on your computer. Once Firefox has loaded, click the Application menu in the upper right corner of the browser window. This is the menu represented by 3 horizontal lines. From the menu that appears, select Settings to open Firefox's configuration page. Inside the Settings page, click Home from the menu on the left-hand side. This section contains all of the options related to your homepage, new windows, and new tabs. You'll find a setting labeled Homepage and New Windows. Click the drop-down menu next to it to see the available choices. If you want to use the default Firefox Start page, simply select Firefox Home from the list. This option displays the standard Firefox homepage, which can include features such as web search, shortcuts, recent activity, and other customizable content depending on your preferences. If you would rather have Firefox open a specific website each time it starts, choose Custom URLs from the same drop-down menu. A text field will appear where you can enter the address of the website you want to use as your homepage. Type or paste the complete website address into the field. You can also choose to use the page you're currently viewing if that's the site you'd like Firefox to open automatically. After entering your preferred website, the changes are saved automatically, so there's no Save button to click. You can close the Settings tab once you've finished making your changes. To confirm everything is working correctly, close Firefox completely and open it again. If you've set a custom homepage, Firefox should automatically open the website you selected. If you've chosen Firefox Home, you'll be taken to the default Firefox Start page instead. If you ever decide to change your homepage again, simply return to the Home section in Firefox Settings and select a different option. You can switch back to the default Firefox homepage or choose another custom website whenever you like. That's all there is to it. Setting your Firefox homepage only takes a few moments and can make it much more convenient to start your browsing session with the website that's most important to you. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,